Jai YouTubers, are you searching for free text-to-speech? AI websites. Here, I have a website for you guys that you can use it free and convert. Free your text-to-speech before starting video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. The website that we are using is 11 Labs. Let's start. 11 Labs is a free text-to-speech converter website that convert your text-to-speech full free. First off, all search 11 Labs and copy your script and paste. Here, after pasting your script, just click on Generate and get your voice free. Now you can download your voice. Now you can use it everywhere. You can also create a YouTube faceless channel that through AI you can use videos for that channel. If you have any question or suggestion, you can ask in comment box. And wait, just check these channels. These channels are working on YouTube, faceless AI channels. You can also follow them, and we will create more videos on this topic if you are interested. Then now, in comment box, write YouTube faceless channel videos. Then I will create a complete playlist for start to monetization process.